Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Power the modem and router and confirm ISP service. This ensures the upstream link is live. Plug a known good Cat5e or Cat6 cable into your computer's Ethernet port and the router LAN port. You should feel the click. Once done, look at link/activity LEDs to confirm physical connectivity. If your network uses a static IP, enter that now in your network settings. If DHCP, you'll request an address automatically to proceed. You now configure the adapter so data moves correctly across the LAN. Open your operating system's network settings and enable the Ethernet interface. This exposes the configuration fields. If using DHCP, make sure it's set to obtain IP and DNS automatically. If using static addressing, type the IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS exactly as supplied to avoid routing conflicts. Once configured, run a quick check with ipconfig or ifconfig to verify the assigned. Finish by validating both local and remote connectivity so you know traffic flows end-to-end. You should ping your gateway first, then ping a public IP like 8 to test internet reachability. If pings fail, restart the modem and router, reseat the LAN cable, and update or reinstall the NIC drivers. These steps clear common faults. If problems persist, contact your ISP and provide modem logs and the device MAC address so they can trace the issue from their side and restore service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.